How to complete identity verification. What is identity verification? Identity verification, or Know Your Customer (KYC), is designed to protect users' accounts against the misuse of financial accounts, such as fraud, corruption, money laundering, and terrorist financing. Why do I need to complete identity verification? Binance requires users to complete identity verification to increase their account security. You can enjoy a higher limit of your Binance account after verifying. There are 3 levels of verification on Binance: Basic, Intermediate, and Advanced. Basic is the minimum requirement for using Binance services, while Intermediate and Advanced require more information to verify your identity. How to complete identity verification. Log into your Binance account and click User Center Identification. You can change your country by clicking the button. Click Verify Now to start. Enter your personal information. Please make sure that all the information entered is consistent with your ID documents. You won't be able to change it once confirmed. Your account is now verified for Basic. To further increase your limits, click Upgrade to Higher Limits. Next, you will need to upload pictures of your ID documents. Please choose the type of ID and the country your documents were issued. Follow the instructions to upload photos of your document. Your photos should clearly show the full ID document. For example, if you are using an ID card, you have to take photos of the front and back of your ID card. After uploading the document photos, the system will ask for a selfie. After that, you need to complete face verification. Please do not wear hats, glasses, or use filters, and make sure that the lighting is sufficient. Alternatively, move your mouse to Can't Use PC to complete the verification on the Binance app instead. Scan the QR code via your app to finish the face verification process. After completing the process, please wait patiently. Once your application has been verified, you will be notified. If you want to further increase your limits, click Verify Now to complete the advanced verification. Enter your address and click Continue. Upload your proof of address documents. Click Confirm to submit. The verification status will show as Under Review. Please wait patiently for it to get approved. Secure your Binance account today to enjoy higher limits.